for the second week in a row, we have a Hunter Lawrence and Nate Thrasher collision, whatever you want to call it. And you gotta say, for Hunter Lawrence, for last week, the last time they raced, he took that week pretty well. And then this one, he just decided, well, beginning of the race, you went outside in the sand section. I'm going to go inside. I'm going to take you out. If you really want to call it a takeout, whatever you want to say. I'm going to go inside of you, push you a little bit high. And you can see, here it is. Thrasher goes outside. Hunter Lawrence just says, okay, I'm going to go inside in the sand section. Was that the dirtiest pass of all time? No. Especially when you can see Hunter Lawrence's front wheel just kind of like stabs into the ground. And, they have, if you listen to the broadcast, they're talking about like, oh, well, Nate Thrasher, if he didn't turn down too early, he probably would have been fine. I don't think it was really much of anything either way. You can see like, bam. Yes, was Hunter Lawrence on the line to push him high, maybe take him out? Sure. Is it warranted? Sure. That's his biggest competition, and that, especially, again, after the last race where Thrasher hit him 2-3 times, cross-jumped him, did all that kind of stuff. And yes, I'm not saying any of this is dirty. I'm saying this is just racing. This is good, hard racing. The two top guys in the race, if you're going to put yourself in a position, Nate Thrasher, to go outside in the very beginning of the race, knowing that your main competition is right behind you, or giving him the chance to go inside and take that pass and take you out, you gotta kind of say it's kind of on you at that point. Yes, should or could have Lawrence not done it, sure, whatever, but like, rubbing is racing. And did he T-bone him? No, he just kind of stabbed his front wheel into the ground and Thrasher hit him. So in the comments below, I want to hear what you have to think, or what you think about it. Dirty. Apparently, I've been reading a lot of things of people saying that Hunter Lawrence is a dirty rider and blah, blah, blah. I don't think that was bad. He could have really T-boned him there and sent him off the track. But you tell me in the comments below. Make sure to do all the fun things you can. Like, share, subscribe. Because playing the YouTube algorithm game, it really helps me and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.